Hi, this is Amin, top rated advertising expert. In this video, I am going to share you how to set up TikTok pixel and how to track lead submission of your website. So let's go start. Before starting, I'm sharing I will set up this website lead submission. If you go the free consultation page, here you can see there has one lead confirmation, one lead form. People will submit when this lead. I will track it through the TikTok pixel. So first of all, we need to go TikTok ads manager account. If you don't have any TikTok account, please go business.tiktok.com and you will create an account. Then you will get an access TikTok ads manager. In this ads manager, when you will go, you will see the navy bar tools option. On the tools option, click the events option, and when you will click the events option, here you will go connect data source, or I already set up one pixel for testing purpose. And finally, before starting this video, so you will not get this type of interface, no worry, just you will get this type of interface. So in this video I will focus on web tracking. So click this web and go to the next option. Make sure manual setup. I will focus manual setup. So click this option and go to the next. Write your Facebook pixel name. So I will write weight loss pixel tracking form submission. You can give one name according to your business. So I'm just click the next option, and here you will go business funnel. Click the next button and just click the event builder. Okay, this is so much easier for you. Then click the next option, and here you can see email instruction. So in this email instruction, only for your developer. If you don't know how to set up, then you need to help developer. Don't worry, you can help me. You can help me to set up your pixel. I will be available, and then my link on the below. Then events builder, click this option, event builders. When you will click this option, you will get this option. First of all, copy this pixel code. Okay, copy this pixel code, and here you can see we need to set up, and they give a guideline. Paste the pixel code in the header section of your website. To set up pixel on header section of our website, this is our website, we need to set up in this header portion in this pixel. So for setup, I will go Google Tag Manager. So before using Google Tag Manager, you have to connect it Google Tag Manager already on your account. If you don't set up Google Tag Manager on your website, you can check video on my YouTube channel how to set up Google Tag Manager with your WordPress site. So then we need to go Google Tag Manager, write a new tag, and write tag configuration. Here select the custom HTML, paste base code triggering, select the all pages, the option. Now we need to check this code is working perfectly. Get a preview mode and connect our website, and finally we need to check our code is working. Our website is loading now, and finally from this pop-up you understand our website is connected with Google Tag Manager. And here you can see TikTok base code is firing. So so you can see the code is working. Now we need to create event to track. Okay, so I will select URL event. Okay, so I will select URL event. So here you can see form submission, submit form and enter URL keyword. So we will enter our URL keyword, suppose such as thank you. So we need to submit a lead, and what keyword we will find, we need to test. So I'm just going our website, I write name MD Amin, just submit, and maybe after a verification we get an URL. This is our URL, thankyou.google.com. I will open notepad, and here you can see our URL. Okay, so just add this keyword here, thank you, and finally we need to submit. So our TikTok pixel setup done. Now we already set up an event. So it is the one way, and we can also set up another way. I will show you. I will set up a test events before getting started. I will show you another type of event setup. Okay, so just 1 minute. Here we need to submit first our TikTok base code URL. Now we need to go template and search gallery and find TikTok. Click this option and add to workspace. So when we will create a new tag, just click TikTok lead submission, tag configuration, and here we can see TikTok pixel. So we need to add our pixel code ID. So it is our ID. So 1 minute, I will find the TikTok ID. Okay, so this is our pixel, and our pixel ID is this one. So just click this option and submit here. Then we need to give a event name. So submit form we can give, or page URL we can also give page URL. So I will click the submit form, and trigger I will set up, or I have lead submission tracking page. I already make it. If you don't know how to make it, you can contact me. I will help you to create this page. Then submit. So now I will check a preview option and just copy this URL, and I'm going to preview mode and paste. Thank you. Okay, so in this process you will set up lead submission also. Okay, so now I will check test event. So how we can set up test event? Paste the URL, generate a code, and we need to track this URL, or we need to scan this URL. So I'm going to my TikTok app from my phone, and I will set up. Just 1 minute. I have scanned and open this URL, and finally open this URL. Now I will go on the overview option and submit form, no recent activity, and even activity submit form. This form is working now. So hopefully you understand how to submit, how to track lead URL. So first of all, you need to set up your base code, then you need to set up your submit form. So hopefully this video useful for you. If you need help, you can contact me. I am freelancer. I am working as a remotely on the project basis and hourly basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm waiting for you.